Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most versatile and useful Excel tools out there. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with us for a while, you already know we've been building web and Excel tools for the past 16 years with one big goal in mind: to automate processes and eliminate human error. Today, I'm really excited to introduce something that takes travel planning to a whole new level: our travel time calculator by time of day. This tool doesn't just calculate driving distances and travel times, it factors in your departure time so you can plan smarter routes based on real-world traffic conditions. Let me show you how simple it is to use. First, grab the tool from the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded the file, open it up and head over to the Settings tab. That's where you'll enter your Google Maps API key. If you're not sure how to set that up, no worries. We've included a step-by-step video in the description to walk you through it. Next, take a moment to configure your settings. You can switch between miles or kilometers, depending on what works best for you. Then, enter your departure time. Just make sure it's a valid Excel time and set for the future. You'll also need to enter your GMT offset based on your time zone. If you're unsure about this, a quick Google search will get you sorted out in seconds. With your settings ready, go ahead and enter your trips. Add your starting and ending addresses. You can use full addresses, zip codes, or city names, but for the most accurate results, I recommend using full addresses. Once everything's entered, just click the Calculate button, and the tool will give you your driving time and distance based on your selected departure time. You can even play around with different departure times to see how your travel time changes. It's a fantastic way to find the most efficient windows for your trips. Like all our tools, the travel time calculator is fully built in Excel. There's no complicated software to install, no need for subscriptions, and no external apps. It seamlessly brings together the power of Excel and live data from Google Maps. So all you have to do is input your details and let the tool do the heavy lifting. If you're ready to start saving time and making smarter travel decisions, click the link in the description to download the tool today. If you ever need help setting things up, or if you're interested in a custom version, don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact info's in the description, and yes, we actually answer the phone. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators, ready to help you every step of the way. Just a little brag. Over 7,500 businesses and professionals rely on our tools, from small startups to major corporations. Every week, we get messages from users telling us how much time they've saved and how much easier their planning has become. And if you check out our 140 plus 5-star Google reviews, you'll see exactly why people trust our solutions to get the job done. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tools and tutorials. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.